Met this evening for an extraordinary general meeting over the clash between its council member, Mr. Wong Siu Hong, and lawyer M Ravi. In July, Mr. Wong had appeared in High Court to hand over a letter from the psychiatrist of M Ravi stating that the lawyer was unfit to practice. At tonight's meeting, one member asked Law Society President Mr. Wong Ming Ming to apologize for his handling of the matter. Our reporter Kimberly Spikeman, who was at the EGM, tells us more.
Well, the 2-hour meeting at the Supreme Court auditorium has just ended with about 500 lawyers in attendance. Now, this includes Mr. M Ravi, who is at the center of this dispute. Mr. Wong Siu Hong, the other party involved in this dispute, was not in attendance, but his lawyer was present at the meeting. We heard that during the meeting, Mr. Wong Ming Ming, who is the president of the Law Society, clarified the facts of the case. He emphasized that Mr. Wong Siu Hong was not authorized by the Law Society to go before the court, and that a mistake had also been made when sending out contradictory press releases. Mr. Wong Ming Ming also talked about the timing of the letter that had been given to the judge by Mr. Wong Siu Hong. Now, some Law Society members had highlighted the fact that it had been during the Hougang by-election case that Mr. M Ravi was involved in. Mr. Wong was very adamant, apparently, according to the lawyers that we spoke to, in saying that there was no conspiracy whatsoever. Some lawyers told us that the council was very reserved in the way that it handled questions that were thrown at them. But Mr. Wong Ming clarified that Mr. Ravi has already taken legal action, and to talk about the matter further would be sub judice.
At the EGM, some lawyers called for the Law Society President Wong Ming Ming to step down. Mr. Wong explained why he would not heed the call.
If I step down, I'm agreeing that I cannot conduct the meeting fairly. So I said on that ground, even if I had the legal right to stand down, I would not stand down.
MediaCorp has received the thumbs up for its Chinese programs for children